Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Newcastle Cool's an interesting house. I think that will appeal to those visitors that like architecture, like history, and that combination of all the magnificent paintings and the architecture will prove popular with that audience.
My experiences so far have been really, really great. I've met some great people, did some networking and visited some really nice places, so I've had a lovely time.
Audio Jungle.
Well, I've done the Marble Arch Caves before. Lovely, perfect destination for groups.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Fermanagh is still a bit of an undiscovered gem. Being here and seeing all what it has to offer has really kind of opened our eyes.
Now that secret's out, everybody knows how lovely it is.